Hindu friends are getting ready to celebrate Diwali, the most joyful time of year. The festival of lights and a new year brings Diwali. For family and friends, the most joyful time of year. 5 days long we will sing a joyful song. 5 days long, light the diyas, join along. On the first day, clean the house and help to make the decorations. On the second day, put on your brand new clothes and light the lights. The third day brings the new moon and the biggest celebration. Let the fireworks and diyas chase the demons all away. 5 days long we will sing a joyful song.